Hi everyone, are you guys also facing your issue with your TikTok automatically being closed? Well, there's an ultimate solution for it. So for that, you need to get to the settings and then from here, scroll down and then tap on general. So after doing that here, you'll have to tap on iPhone storage. And then in here, you can scroll down. You can see all of the applications in here. From here, you have to search for TikTok. Simply tap on TikTok and then simply tap on offload app. After doing that, tap on offload app one more time. And then within few minutes, here you can see we have successfully offloaded the application. Now all you have to do is simply tap on reinstall app in order to reinstall TikTok on your phone. And like that, you'll be able to fix the problem. Here you can see we have successfully reinstalled TikTok on our phone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.